Up next is the Scholarship Development Award. This award was created to recognize efforts specifically targeted at raising money in support of student scholarships. Our award recipient is the Greater Jacksonville Chapter. Last year, the chapter embarked on a visionary goal to establish a fully endowed scholarship to support future Penn Staters from Northeast Florida. The chapter reached a significant achievement, and in only 1 year, raising $54,000 for student scholarships. Chapter leaders created a strategic approach, contacting appropriate supporters and organizing events such as a poker tournament. Additionally, an anonymous donor generously agreed to a one-to-one match during a portion of the fundraising window. This scholarship is designed to create a generational cycle of engagement, service, and pride. Chapter leaders envision that the student recipients will become part of the Penn State Jacksonville family, attending student send-offs, sharing their stories with prospective students, and, should they return to Northeast Florida after graduation, becoming active alumni who contribute to the chapter's growth. The chapter announced their accomplishment at its 2026 banquet, which fittingly doubled as the chapter's 50th anniversary celebration. To accept the award, let's turn our attention to the screen and hear from Chapter President Jason Diaz.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jason Diaz. I'm the Jacksonville Chapter President. Hope everyone is having a fantastic ACL Leadership Conference. It's sorry we're missing it. Rumor had it that the hot summers up in Pennsylvania area were pretty extreme, so we thought, we might just want to hang out down here in sunny Florida where the weather's a little bit cooler in July and August. So again, hopefully everybody's having a great conference, and sorry we can't be with you. We obviously are receiving the award for the Scholarship Development Award. This means so much to our chapter. The idea of developing a scholarship for us as a chapter started about 3 years ago, but we just weren't ready to do it at the time. There were some more fundamental things we needed to work on. And so about a year ago, we felt like the time was right. And within 1 year, we were able to raise enough momentum to raise $53,000 and endow our scholarship. There's a few people I obviously got to acknowledge that were a part of this. First of all, thank you to the Penn State Alumni Association staff, Zach, others that were directly involved with. You guys are awesome. The awards committee. I know you guys are getting a ton of applications for these multiple awards. That's a lot of tireless work. Thank you for that. We appreciate the hard work you're doing on behalf of that. I want to thank my fellow board members. They have really been unified behind me in pursuing the goal of developing this scholarship. And I want to give one special shout out to one board member in particular who was significantly influential in this process. Dave Nagy is our board treasurer. Dave, believe it or not an alum. Dave was a former chancellor of the Mount Alto campus, and upon retirement, Dave came down to Jacksonville, and since that time has been heavily engaged in our chapter. He worked for other universities in his academia career, but upon retirement, he chose to kind of be loyal and plant his flag with Penn State. Dave was significant in bringing us to this point today. Dave and his wife have an endowed scholarship themselves. He understood the process. He really knew what it took for us to get across the finish line. So Dave, I want to thank you personally for all your hard work and efforts. We wouldn't be here right now without it. So attendees, thank you. I hope you guys are having an amazing conference down there. Again, sorry we can't be with you, but the Jacksonville chapter proudly accepts the Scholarship Development Award. So see you guys all soon. Thanks.